Hello everybody and welcome back. In this lecture we will talk about another file format called NIfTI. NIfTI, which stands for Neuroimaging Informatics Technology Initiative, is an open file format to share and handle medical image data. It has its origins in neuroimaging, as the name says, but is now widely used in all fields of medical imaging as well. NIfTI files can be used to efficiently store medical images or volumes together with other necessary metadata. Also, it directly enables storing of additional data such as segmentation masks. NIfTI is mainly used in a research and development setting, as an example to develop applications for medical images, but you will typically not encounter this format in a medical device, and thus it is not a clinical standard. They share the same basic structure as DICOM files, namely the division into header and body. In contrast to DICOM files, the header only contains the most necessary data regarding the actual image. No information about the patient or the manufacturer of the scanner is included. Therefore, the header is much smaller than it is in DICOMs. The body also contains the actual image pixel data. Note that it contains the full volume when dealing with 3-dimensional or 4-dimensional data, and you only have to load a single file to get, as an example, a complete MRI scan. This makes it, at least in general, easier to handle than plain DICOM files. The file extension is usually .ni or .nigc when handling a compressed NIfTI file. Of course, there are also great tools to work with NIfTI files in Python, especially NiBabel, which is only built for this purpose. If you want, you can also use simple ITK. You can again use the 3D slicer if you simply want to inspect a NIfTI file. If you want to convert a DICOM file or a volume described by multiple DICOM files, you can use a library called DICOM to NIfTI. After this short introduction, it is time to get our hands dirty again and actually work with NIfTI files in Python. Thanks and happy learning!